दुबई आसला पर स्वयं पाड़ी को जड़े लोक डाकी कहले प्लीज
ओडिसा रे सिंगर आसी
कौन कहले तुमको कौन कहले
Okay guys, so we are here in Burj Khalifa 124th floor. So it
and do you want to see the view?
okay.
1 2 3 4 yeah done इधर इधर
सबको दिखाऊंगा all the people there and it is taking again exactly 124 seconds. There is a countdown that starts and again still it is I hope 163 floors. So we are on the 124th floor and to dedicate this we have a song here. आज मैं ऊपर आसमां भी ऊपर आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे टेल मी ओ खुदा आज मैं ऊपर आसमां नीचे आज मैं आगे ज़माना है पीछे टेल मी ओ खुदा बुर्ज खलीफा.
Guys, this is a lifetime experience. You gotta come here once in a lifetime. There's a friend. So guys, I'm in Dubai Museum. हाँ? मजलिस. My God. Preserved ना? Oh my God. Human body. हाँ.
ସେଠି ଯୋଉ ଚାରିଟା ଆଡେ ପର୍ଦା ଲାଗେନି ମଝିରେ ଯୋଉ ବୁଲନ୍ତି କଳା କଲର ର
Okay.
ମକ୍କା ମଦିନା ଯୋଉ ମେନ୍ ତାଙ୍କର ସାଉଦିରେ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଡୋର ରଖା ହୁआ है।
Oh.
पुराना कैमरा